Hey guys, Johnny Nerd out here, custom e-bike builder, mechanic, obsessor over of e-bikes. Today I wanted to talk again about the benefits of converting your own bike and using a custom motor kit versus, and mainly the Bafang kit. I know that this will apply to a lot of different other kits, but in my experience, I vastly just use the Bafang kit because it's just, for me, it's the best. It's the best value, performance, reliability. Parts are ubiquitous to get. It's so easy. You go on Amazon and get replacement parts for the Bafang kit. One thing that is often overlooked when people are like, oh, I get my hub motor from this or my other kit from this. That's great, but with a Bafang, it's totally programmable. There's a free program that you could go online and literally program every parameter of it. Like how much you want each throttle or pedal assist level to be, how you want the throttle to react, how you want the pedal assist to cut off, how quickly you want the pedal assist to jump in, everything in between there. It's crazy how programmable those motors are. And a lot of times when you buy a kit from Amazon or whatever, if you buy a hub motor kit, they're not programmable at all. You could go in, there's just no way to interface with that controller to change anything. With the Bafang, it's very easy. You buy a $25, $30 USB cable, plug it in to your motor, plug it into your USB on your computer, and you could change every parameter on your motor. So for me, that's probably one of the biggest reasons why it's not even the biggest reason, but it's a huge reason. There's like probably 5 major reasons why I would use a Bafang motor over any other motor. One is the performance of a mid-drive over a hub motor. 2 is the cost. It's relatively cheap, 450 bucks-ish for a 750 watt mid motor, and the programmability of it, dialing in those pedal assist levels so that it suits your needs exactly. Like on my wife's bike, it took us a little while to find out, okay, 1 is not enough, 2 is too much, 3, okay, I want 3 to be a little bit more, 1, now 1's not enough. And we got it dialed in exactly. So for every riding style, we just punch in, boom, 1 is perfect. It doesn't like jump off and, a lot of times you buy like an Amazon kit, and level 1 is like a rocket ship. I used to work at a place that we sold hub motor e-bikes. You couldn't change the programming on it whatsoever. And 1 would shoot people off like this. It would give everything right off the gate. And it scared people. I wouldn't want to put like a grandmother on that and say, hey, here's an e-bike. It's on pedal assist 1, the lowest setting, and it still would like possibly hurt her. With a Bafang, you could program that down, make it so it's just very mild, or you can make it so it shoots off if you want that, which I don't know who would. For me, when people are like, oh, I want to buy this motor kit, I just wish you guys knew what you're doing. I'm sorry. It always makes me kind of wince a little bit when somebody buys a hub motor kit. And a crappy one too. Like there are good hub motor kits. Like if you go to Grin Technology and ebikes.ca, they make good quality stuff. I still would take a Bafang all day, every day over any hub motor. I've ridden both of them and I would not ever do that. All right, hopefully you guys found this helpful. I know people who have hub motors, you guys just hate my guts. But all e-bikes are good e-bikes. I don't hate hub motors. I just want people to make informed decisions when they're buying their e-bikes. These aren't cheap. So just have the information. In my opinion, there's a lot of bad information out there. Trying to do my share, my part. All right, thanks guys.